Welcome to the beautiful campus of Dr. Dada Guzar English Medium School. Maharashtra Arogya Mandal has been working since more than 60 years in the upliftment of the society in terms of health, education and tribal development. Stands for its ideology and social responsibility. Maharashtra Arogya Mandal's principal founder member, late Dr. Dada Guzar, selflessly worked for his entire life to serve the society. He has brought the institute to current glory and fame. Not only in Pune, but in the radius of 500 kilometers, people joined and come together for Maharashtra Arogya Mandal's health, education and tribal development initiatives. Along with Dr. Guzar, his friends and colleagues Dr. Baba Adhav, Dr. Gopal Shah, Dr. Martand Patil and Dr. Sindhu Ketkar had come together and started Sane Guruji Rugnalaya with just 4 beds on 11th June 1960 in a small clinical setup. Subsequently, a public charitable trust called Maharashtra Arogya Mandal was registered on 5th April 1961, of which educational institutes are main units. Maharashtra Arogya Mandal initially started the Balwadis and free nutritious food activities for children. Later on, it started schools at Hadapsar and Muhammadwadi. Maharashtra Arogya Mandal conducts 7 schools having a total strength of about 4,800 students from lower economical strata of the society. In 2015, Maharashtra Arogya Mandal started Dr. Dada Guzar CBSE English Medium School in Muhammadwadi area in Pune. Rather than giving learning with the help of books, main thrust is given on the physical, emotional, intellectual and social development of the child. The main emphasis is on discovering the inner qualities of the child. For better education, one needs better environment and infrastructure. And good education with quality infrastructure is every student's fundamental right. We at Dr. Dada Guzar English Medium School, Muhammadwadi, Pune are doing our role to be instrumental in providing affordable English medium education to the poor and underprivileged society. As said by Rabindranath Tagore, the highest education is that which does not merely give us information but makes our life in harmony with all existence.
We at Dada Guzar English Medium School are following advanced teaching and learning techniques to facilitate easy and fun filled academic experience. Cultural activities like plays, skits, dance competition, singings are regularly conducted to add the wings to their creativity.
We have 8,000 square feet of indoor playground, 60,000 square feet of outdoor playground for all sports, keeping our children motivated to be active on the grounds. Computer lab, library, along with small social activities gives our children comprehensive education.
This project is very ambitious project of Maharashtra Arogya Mandal as it requires great service with state-of-art infrastructure, that too at affordable educational cost for all.
It is providing quality education at very low cost. It is working for the poor and underprivileged people where they cannot afford the price, as such a facilities are given to the school.
Focuses on giving a quality education to the students for the local people and giving opportunity to every child to get a good education. And it also creates a transparency between the parents, teachers and students.
Many future plans like ISO, NABET affiliation to CBSE are well underway and additional funds are required in order to complete it. Much has been done and this video update as of September 2016 is to share our progress and also to inform about further requirements we have in order to start construction and complete the building.
It is the main objective of our management to provide quality education to the students. At the very beginning of the school, we have taken admission of an autistic child, and our teachers are also being trained for the special type of students. Time to time, we arrange seminars and workshops for the teachers for their upgradation, for all-round development of the students and for the development of the school. We are always in need of financial help and activity-based help from the people of the society.
You can support us by contributing to our building fund, which is our immediate requirement. This project is a future of societal projects with a center focus on education. Empowering next generation with education will help the social upliftment of their families as well as their communities. Let us come together, join hands for great service with noble thought of Dada.